Guys, everyone, welcome back to yet another video. On this channel, I talk about video editing, I talk about lights, I talk about cameras, I talk about content creation process. And today I want to share with you guys 3 things I think content creators should not do. Content creation starts with an idea, and an idea can come from anyone, from anywhere, at any time. And if you want to share that idea, you should not wait. Do not wait. That's the first thing you need to do. Don't wait. Work on that idea right now. Because here's the thing, guys. If you wait, if you procrastinate, then you will forget. No matter how beautiful the idea is, no matter how much potential the idea has, if you didn't start working on it right away, you will actually forget it. And the truth is, the excitement that came with the idea, the value that the idea had, and the meaning behind the idea will all be lost if you don't work on it right away. Ask some questions. Why? What? How? All those questions. Who is going to be involved in this idea? Work on it right now. The second thing is, sometimes we don't have an idea, and we all have these content creators that we like and we watch them and we're inspired by them, but it should stay just like that. So the second thing is, do not copy your favorite content creator. Simple, because you're never going to be them, and you're unique. And yes, you can watch them, you can be inspired by them, learn some of the techniques that they're using in their content, but don't just blindly copy them. Create with what you have, make it yours. That's what's cool about YouTube. That's what's cool about content creation. Every content can be unique. So before I share the last one, let me know in the comment section, guys, your top 3 content creators who inspire you the most. So here's the last one. We just talked about being inspired by other creators. And so sometimes we consume their content, but there is also overconsumption. And overconsumption will actually reduce your creativity. It's like the brain is so used to just consume that it's not even trying to create a content anymore. It's not even trying to be creative anymore. So don't overconsume. It doesn't matter what kind of content it is. It doesn't matter who the content creator is. Don't overconsume. You are creative. You are unique. And if you have an idea, work on it right away. That's all I have for today, guys. And if you got some value from this video, push that like button and don't forget the notification bell so that you will never miss any video from this channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.